Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create animation in Figma in 2023. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just getting started, this tutorial will equip you with the skill you need to create stunning, of course, animation, or it's actually going to be a simple animation in Figma in 2023. So let's just jump in and get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have in your PC. Once you open that browser as an example, simply go to this URL section and simply type figma.com and hit the enter button. So if you have an account, of course, that will take you right away to the home screen or main screen, and you'll not be here. So if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click on get started and follow the prompts to create your account. Of course, there is the option of creating or even logging in into your account with Google. That will prevents you from doing a lot of boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account if you use Google. And of course, if you log in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like this here. And if you just like created your account, you'll be asked some questions. You can answer them or you can simply skip them. I guess beside this, the first question you'll have to answer is because you will have just to give them your name and I guess some simple other details. So and once you are here, of course, let me just simply delete some of my projects here. And here, let's just go and simply click on a new design file. That will open this page for us. So let's just give it a name as an example. I'm just going to name it test as an example. In here, let's just put frame as an example. Or as an example, instead of using some frames, let's use some objects as an example. Let's use some simple two stars here and let's just put them together as an example. So this one, let's just so I made here some changes to the star. I give them some color and I tilt one on the right and one on the left. So simply select your star as an example and click on Shift E. Then simply just go, let me just make it bigger as an example. And here I'll have to go and nope, not this one. So of course we will have to create a connection as an example. So we'll have to see as an example this one, and normally I should be able to. Of course, I guess I'll have to put it as a frame. And now, yeah, as an example, I'll be able to do that. So, of course, you'll have to go and change it to a frame first of all. Any objects, you'll have to change it to a frame so you can actually make the animation. So, as an example, the animation should be instant or move in, move out, slide in, slide out. So, make sure to do whatever you want. As an example, this star should turn into a polygon, as an example. I'm just going to do so here. And here, let's just do this design, go and select the red again. And of course, let's just put this as a frame selection. Then simply go to prototype and select this one here. Make sure to go and do this. And of course, the animation should be instance again. So now you can simply click here as an example and wait for this until it load. So as you can see, every time you click, you will find an animation. So we can, as example, go back, and once you click, you'll find animation like change from right to left. Of course, this is pretty simple. This is just to understand how you can do it. We can change a lot of other stuff as an example. So instead of instance as an example, let's just move in or let's just move out, or as an example this. So simply here go and go and play another one as an example here. And let's just wait. As you can, as an example, there is an animation that is comes from the right, so you can change whatever you want as an example. So here, instead of instance, as an example, let's do push, and you will see even the push that you are going to see here. So let's just do a push also here. You can even change the duration of it. As you can, example, as you can see here, it's 300 millisecond. You can change it to even more, even less if you want to. Or as an example, let's say we would like to change this into another thing as an example. Or simply let's just, okay, we did not lose connection. Okay, that's great. We can even go and connect it to this back again. We can do Another thing, as an example, we can do a heart or do whatever you want. So simply you can even go and get your picture as an example or frame and put a picture here. Place a picture as an example, choose this and make sure to put it here. So we'll have to go and make the frame bigger or the picture smaller a bit so it can get into the frame. That's the frame what that we need. Make sure to make it bigger and make this smaller until it fits here as an example. And here, make sure to add animation to this. And of course, why not? Or let me just go and add animations from here into here. So this should be, or this should be again a push. We can make it like 500 milliseconds. So now let's just play and see if our animation is working good. Of course. So now let's just do a simple click. As you can see, it will push, push, and this will get us into this. As you can see, this is going to be the slide animation. So this is a simple animation. Of course, you can do other animations as example. So let me just delete all of this. As an example, let's just do an animation that change color. So simply, you can do a star as an example again, and do another star. So the first star, let's just choose design, and let's just choose white for it, and the other star, let's just make it black. So here, convert this into frame, and convert this into frame, and simply go to prototype, and make sure to add this to this. This should be animation with, I don't know, maybe smart animate. And here, let's just put this into like 700 milliseconds. And here, let's just play as an example and see if it's working well. So we'll have to just wait until it appear here. And of course, the background is black, so we'll not see it. So let's just change black into other color as an example, blue. So simply now, let's just play. As an example, this animation will change the color with the smart animate. As you can see, this change color, but of course, you can even change the connection between them. So we had like, so prototype again, go here, we had this smart animation. You can change it into move in as an example, or instant, you can just do instant so you don't notice anything. Or as an example, we can do, why not, this, go here, instead of instant, let's just do slide in. And here, let's just go and put another one, and this time it will change color to red as an example. So go choose this as frame selection, go here to prototype, and add this to this. And as you can see, slide the same thing and go here and click on play. And as you can see, this animation will change color from white to blue to red. As you can see, this will change color to blue, and this will change it to red. Of course, you can even change this slide in into, as an example, move in, and it will should be the same. We can even change from move in here to move out. Of course, this is going to, as you can see, it will be move in, or it will remain move in. And here we can check if everything is okay. As you can see, this will change color, and this will change color again. So I did another animation as an example. So this animation will change just the place from right to left, as you can see. So we have a straight star here. So make sure everything is in frame selection. And here, that's this star will be tilted to the right a bit, and this star will be tilted to the left. So here, make sure to choose this while hovering as an example, or you can change it to click, and make sure the animation will be instant as an example. And this should be the same, instant while hovering, and go and play. And as you can see from here, you will see while I'm hovering the star, as you can see, it will change place. So now it's normal. When I hover it, it will change place. So you can do a lot of other animations from here. You can go and discover that by your own. And there's even a lot of other tutorials helpful in even Figma if you want to understand how to do it. And even if you didn't want to do it alone, you can simply go to your dashboard, and you'll find even some animations that is already working here. So simply you can search files, team, or people as an example, animations as an example, and you'll find even some some ready animations that you can use if you want to, and you'll be good or good to go. Yeah. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you know how to make some simple animations and some maybe advanced one. And of course, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks and tutorials. So don't forget to leave it like down below and subscribe as we said. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.